Hello everyone. Welcome back to See the Concepts. Today I'm here again with a new video. Have you ever shared a pizza with your friends or divided a chocolate into equal pieces? That's where fraction comes in. So our today's topic is fractions and types of fractions. In today's video, we will learn what fractions are, parts of a fraction, different types of fractions, and easy examples to understand them clearly. So, let's begin. What is a fraction? A fraction represents a part of a whole. For example, if a pizza is divided into four equal parts and you eat one part, then you ate 1 by 4. Here, 1 is called the numerator, 4 is called the denominator. The numerator tells us how many parts we have. The denominator tells us how many equal parts the whole is divided into. Types of fractions. Now let's learn the different types of fraction one by one. The first one, proper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is smaller than the denominator is called a proper fraction. Examples 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 7. So when we see in this example, the numerators, that is 1, 3 and 4, these are smaller than the denominator. And here in proper fractions, the value is always less than 1. Let's move on to the second one, improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator is called an improper fraction. Examples 5 by 3, 7 by 4, 9 by 9. So here, if you see in the first two example, that is 5 by 3 and 7 by 4, the numerators have greater value than the denominator. And the last example, 9 by 9 will be equals to 1. So, in improper fractions, it takes the value greater than or equal to 1. Now, the third one, mixed fraction. A fraction written with a whole number and a proper fraction together is called a mixed fraction. Examples 1 1 by 4, 2 3 by 4. A mixed fraction shows a whole part plus an extra fractional part. If we see in our example 1 1 by 4, the 1 is a whole part and 1 by 4 is a extra fractional part. Let's move on to the fourth type, like fractions. Fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. Examples 2 by 7, 4 by 7, 6 by 7. If we see in our examples, the numerator is same. Such kind of fractions is called like fractions. Like fractions are easy to compare and add. Let's move on to the next one, unlike fractions. So here, fractions having different denominators are called unlike fractions. In here examples, you can see 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 5 by 6. 2, 4 and 6 which are in denominator, they are not similar or they are not same. So such kind of fractions we call it as unlike fractions. Since the denominators are different, they are unlike fractions. Let's begin with the last one, sixth equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fractions? Fractions that have the same value are called equivalent fraction. Example, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 4 by 8. If we see here, if we simplify 2 by 4, 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4. 2 by 4 will be equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, 4 by 8 will be equal to 1 by 2. Though the numbers are different, they represent the same part of a whole. Such kind of fractions are called what? Equivalent fractions. Now let's have a quick recap. Let's quickly revise. What is proper fraction? Numerator smaller than denominator. Improper fraction, numerator greater than or equal to denominator. Then what is mixed fractions? Whole number plus proper fraction. Then what are like fractions? The fractions which have same denominators. Similarly, what are unlike fractions? The fractions which have different denominators. What are equivalent fractions? Which have same value. And that's all about fractions and types of fractions. I hope this video made fractions easy and interesting for you. And if you want me to explain these concepts in mixed language like in English as well as little bit of Hindi, feel free to comment and suggest me. If you want, I'll create in mixed kind of language. If you enjoyed this video, like, share and subscribe to see the concept. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and